A taste of paradise, exploring the culinary wonders of Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan cuisine is known for its vibrant flavors, aromatic spices, and diverse range of dishes influenced by the country's rich history and cultural diversity. Traditional Sri Lankan foods are a reflection of the island's geography, climate, and the various communities that have contributed to its culinary heritage. 1. Rice and curry. Rice is a staple food in Sri Lanka, and a typical meal often consists of boiled or steamed rice accompanied by a variety of curries. These curries can be vegetarian or include meat, fish, or seafood, and are made with a combination of spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and curry leaves. The curries are typically flavored with coconut milk and can include dishes like dal curry, made from lentils, chicken curry, fish curry, and eggplant curry. 2. Hoppers. Appa hoppers are a popular breakfast dish in Sri Lanka. They are bowl-shaped pancakes made from fermented rice flour and coconut milk, cooked in a small, rounded pan. Hoppers can be either plain or filled with an egg, called egg hoppers, or a variety of ingredients such as onions, chilies, and even jaggery, a type of sugar. 3. String hoppers. Idiyappam string hoppers are thin, noodle-like strands made from rice flour that are steamed and served with curries, usually for breakfast or dinner. They are often accompanied by a coconut sambol, a condiment made with grated coconut, chili flakes, lime juice, and spices. 4. Kata roti. Kata roti is a popular street food in Sri Lanka. It is made by chopping up roti, a type of flatbread, and stir-frying it with vegetables, eggs, meat, usually chicken or beef, and a blend of spices. The rhythmic chopping sound made while preparing kata roti is a distinctive feature of this dish. 5. Pittu. Pittu is a cylindrical-shaped dish made from a mixture of rice flour and grated coconut. It is steamed in a bamboo mold and often served with coconut milk, along with curries or sambals. 6. Lamprice. Lamprice is a Dutch-influenced dish that is popular among the Sri Lankan burger community. It consists of a combination of meat, usually beef or chicken, mixed with rice, and cooked in a banana leaf parcel. The meat and rice are flavored with spices and accompanied by accompaniments such as brinjal, eggplant, curry, sini sambol, caramelized onion relish, and fried ash plantain. 7. Kirabath. Kirabath, meaning milk rice, is a special dish often prepared for celebrations such as New Year or religious festivals. It is made by cooking rice with coconut milk until it becomes thick and sticky. The cooked rice is then cut into diamond shapes and served with various accompaniments, including luna miris, a spicy onion and chili relish, sini sambol, or a sweet jaggery preparation. These are just a few examples of the rich and diverse range of traditional foods found in Sri Lanka. The country's cuisine showcases a fusion of flavors, influenced by South Indian, Dutch, Malay, and Arab culinary traditions, making it a delight for food lovers.